9,600 children were wrongly incarcerated in adult prisons across India between 1st January 2016 and 31st December 2021, a new study has found. The data for the study Incarceration of Children in Prisons in India was obtained under the Right to Information (RTI) Act. The data indicated that at least 9,681 children were wrongly incarcerated in adult prisons between 1st January 2016 and 31st December 2021. Already angered with the PWD's decision to go ahead with land acquisition for the proposed new Boreham Bridge and bypass road, the farmers of Lotoli were infuriated as the PWD abruptly skipped the land demarcation process, which was to be held on Monday. The locals, along with village panchayat of Lotolim, were frustrated over PWD's approach of first informing in writing regarding the land demarcation process and then changing the program abruptly, without intimating the panchayat. Each summer, the residents of Kudai in Khola are hit by a severe water shortage due to the absence of Public Works Department (PWD) pipeline in the area. This has compelled them to depend on natural sources such as river and springs in the hilly areas to meet their water needs. Despite the continuous hardships faced by the residents every year, the government has not taken any action to curb this issue. The Kurti Khande par locals expressed concerns over the accident-prone median gaps on Kurtikeria National Highway. According to social worker, some of the open median gaps are proving to be accident-prone zone with several accidents caused at same spot in past. Locals have demanded urgent inspection by the traffic team and suggest safety measures such as speed breakers, signboards, underpasses, or any other measures to slow down the speed of vehicles at median gaps to prevent accidents. Congress has alleged that the BJP is a party of lies and deceit and has warned all Goans that the party will continue to cheat in the same manner. MLA Carlos Ferreira, while addressing a press conference on the OCI issue, has exposed the ruling BJP on the Portuguese passport matter and the alleged lies that BJP spoke before Lok Sabha elections. Amidst the weather warning given by IMD Goa, heavy showers accompanied by lightning were reported in Sattari Taluka on Sunday late evening. Along with the rains, the residents faced a power outage that persisted for a very long time. The IMD Goa has issued precautionary measures for the public on what to do and what not to do during the torrential rains, flood-like situations, strong winds and rough sea conditions, thunderstorms and hot weather. This advisory is issued keeping in mind the weather conditions of this week. Residents of Sholim Marna Ghol have raised concerns over the ongoing water shortage faced them for the last 20 days. Frustrated locals express anger, saying that the authorities have turned a blind eye and no action has been taken yet. They also claim that they are supplied water only for 4 days per month. The auspicious and most revered festival fair of Shri Devi Lehrai of Shirgaon celebrated on Sunday with great fervor and enthusiasm. Thousands of devotees thronged to seek blessings as well as to attend the well-lit fair or Zatra. As the Shri Devi Lehrai of Shirgaon Zatra commemorated on Sunday, the failure of the police personnel to manage the crowd resulted in a massive stampede-like situation. Devotees were seen pushing each other irrespective of whether it was a child, woman or senior citizen. Lakshman Neelkant Wagle, a resident of Aquamargaon, has cultivated a 49-inch drumstick in a small plastic drum filled with soil at his home, breaking the record for longest drumsticks grown. Lakshman, who grows all kinds of vegetables in his garden, grew these drumsticks without using the traditional growing methods. TKS defeated Crease Boys in 4th Late Petorina Dikunha Under-12 football tournament. The tournament, organized by Friends Circle Kurchode, was held on the Figueiredo ground at Kurchode. In a thrilling final to the Coutinho family inter-village football tournament, Navelim Villagers Union emerged victorious after defeating Guardian Angel SC of Kurchurem in a nail-biting tiebreaker. The match, organized by Santa Cruz Society of Potomado in collaboration with Kunkolim Union, took place at the Kunkolim School playground. Asian Championships silver medalist Abha Khatua set national record en route to gold in women's shot put with a massive throw of 18.41 meters during the second day of the National Federation Cup Athletics competition here on Monday.